Hello everybody again, it's David Traylor of the Traylor Law Firm, and today I'm going to talk to you about assaults because I just had an assault case dismissed because they didn't state an offense in the police report, the office report. I'm sure the complaint, well, I didn't even look at the complaint because I didn't need to. I'm sure the complaint states an offense, but the narrative in the officer's offense report clearly states that there was no offense committed. Let me tell you about why. This is an assault threat case. You can assault somebody without touching them, and that's through your words. If you threaten them with imminent bodily injury or harm or death, that's an assault. It's an assault by threat. You don't have to touch them for that to be an assault. But in the police report, I noticed that the victim, the so-called victim, had said that the defendant, the accused, had stated that he was going to kill her and several other things as he was walking out of the building. And that's not really a threat of imminent bodily harm if the person's walking away. And that would be enough on its own, but then she further stated that she didn't feel like he meant it, and that she didn't feel like she was in an she wasn't in imminent danger of bodily harm or injury or death. So she basically told the police officer that there was no offense, but they filed the case anyway. Maybe they didn't realize it wasn't an offense. And then they were offering to make it a disorderly conduct, but I said, look, my client says it didn't occur. Furthermore, she says she wasn't in fear. Further, he was walking away. No imminent threat. It's dismissal. So they dismissed it. And this is a court that doesn't like to dismiss anything. In fact, they were trying to talk us into a deal. Even though they knew there was a problem, they were trying to talk us into a deal. So, hire a lawyer who knows the difference between these things, because these courts won't tell your lawyer that there's a problem. Some of them will make a dismissal in these kind of circumstances, but it's pretty rare. And that would have cost my client another $300 to $400 if we hadn't gotten the dismissal. So that was a good outcome. And that's it. It's only a free country if you're not in jail. So if you're questioned, suspected, arrested, bonded, court date, or you're just being questioned, or maybe you're being followed and you're worried about it, or maybe you're just paranoid and you don't know the difference, call us and we'll see what we can do to help you. That's it. Everybody have a great day, great week.